Hi, I'm Scott Markwood, Training Coordinator here at Hafele America Company.
And I'm Karen Armour, Product Manager for Drawer Systems here at Hafele America.
Now we're here in the Learning Center and we're about to install some Move-It rollout trays. And in this application, we're putting them into a cabinet that has a face frame. Now that presents a few challenges, and we're going to cover that in the video. You want to make sure that you have your mounting instructions handy.
Let's get started.
First, measure the inside opening dimension. If it's a face-framed cabinet, we measure from behind the face frame. Otherwise, we're measuring just the opening. You'll want to have your trays, drawer slides, quick tray brackets, screws, and mounting hooks all laid out, as well as your tools. We'll begin by positioning the front supports on each side, making sure that their positioning pins are clear of any hinges or hardware. We'll install the supports with the provided screws. Next, we lock some of the hook dowels onto our drawer slide member and use that as a jig to position the back support. We use one of the bottom screw locations first, and then install the upper slide at its upper location. That will secure the back support in the correct vertical position. We then fill all screw locations. Then, install the second side in the same manner. With that complete, we simply install the pull-out tray, positioning it near the rear of the slide before clicking it into place. To remove, bring the tray all the way forward, and then lift up and forward at about a 45-degree angle. The tray should pop freely from the slides. And that's how easy it is to install Move-It drawers. We hope you found this Hafele video helpful. Good luck with your installation, and thanks for watching.